My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension which is called one-click image downloader. One-click image downloader is an unwanted browser extension that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people download the extension, and the developers indicate that it allows users to easily download images from any web page. But the trouble is that this extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it then starts to display the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. So if this extension was installed, you should get rid of it immediately. Just for the demonstration purposes, I am installing it, but you should not tolerate it. You should uninstall this extension because it will display the great portion of intrusive advertisements. To remove this extension, access the menu, more tools, then extensions. So disable and remove this particular extension from your Google Chrome. To make sure that your system is not infected by any other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.